What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to today's video. On today's video we're going to be talking about TAP Portugal, the first airline at my airport. First of all, before introducing all the aircrafts that I have personally at my airport, I will talk about little fun facts of TAP, which year they started, when they started, and stuff like that. So yeah, TAP Portugal is the national carrier for Portugal. Their headquarters are in Lisbon, and they operate around 2,000 flights weekly to over 88 destinations, over 38 countries worldwide. TAP Portugal started in March 14th, 1945 and started to fly in September of that same year, with the first ever flights from Lisbon to Madrid. And then later on in 1970 they started to fly overseas to New York and Boston. They started with Boeing 747 aircrafts during the 70s, but they started to put more Airbuses into their fleet, and now they basically operate Airbuses. TAP Portugal changed the name to TAP Air Portugal in 1979 and became a member of Star Alliance in 2005. So to kick off this presentation of the aircrafts that I have from TAP, we start with the smallest one through the biggest one that I have. So the smallest one is TAP ATR-72. Here she is, little tiny aircraft from TAP. She operates from Lisbon to Porto. Most of the times it's more for a domestic flight. And yeah, for A319s we have two aircrafts. I have TAP in the normal livery, as she is shown here, and as well I have a TAP from Euro 2004 special livery, really beautiful, that I actually like it. Here she is. It's a Visit Portugal livery that you can see here. Then we'll go on to the A340. I'll come back to the A330 after. A340, we have a really old livery, is TAP Portugal, old colors. I like this A340 a lot, as it's a little memory back in time aircraft. I think it's really nice. So coming back to the A330s, you know, as TAP Portugal was the first airline to operate a neo. So what we're going to start is with the Airbus A330-200, 300, and then I'll show you the A330 neo from TAP. So for the Airbus A330-200 we have a Star Alliance aircraft. I think it's pretty decent, nice for Portuguese collectors and for other people that want to have this aircraft at their airport. My favorite TAP livery will be this one coming up next. You might know which one it is. Here she is, TAP Stopover Portugal. It's a really nice livery. I'm actually going to lose a little bit of time and I'm going to show you the other side of it, so you can see both sides of TAP Stopover. For those of you that do not have this livery, it's a really nice livery to have at your airport. And last, we have TAP Portugal Neo. This is the recent model from TAP Portugal. First to fly, TAP Neo. Really beautiful aircraft, really beautiful model. It goes really well in any airport that you can, model airport that you want to build. It's really nice, so I do advise you to have this model. So yeah, that's all for TAP aircrafts. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to count with your support. Don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.